Hey everyone, today let me quickly show you how to fix Instagram message request not showing. Now if you know that other people are messaging you and you've not received those messages, on the message request tab, let me show you a couple of fixes that will likely help to solve these issues. So the first thing that you can do is tap on the DM section and head over to your DM section. And what most people miss is they just head over to the request section and then they just completely ignore the hidden request option. Sometimes messages that have been sent to you will also be received on the hidden request section. So make sure you check this folder out as well. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the cache of Instagram. You can just hop out of the app, tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. From this setting, tap on clear data and then tap on clear all data. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to offload this application from your iPhone storage. Apart from this, what you can also do is try to look for any new updates available. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram. If you do see new updates available, make sure you do that because updating application helps to fix any kinds of minor bugs which may be causing this issue. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the Instagram message request not showing. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.